Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another 31 Days of Eyeshadow palette look. In today's video, we are going to be playing with something that is fresh, fun, and new on the market. It is the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place. Look at those black queens just killing it. So this palette retails for $20 and comes with 9 huge pans of eyeshadows. And it has like a greenish orange skin going on, which is super pretty and super different. I really enjoy playing with this palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start out with the shade Mascara, which is this, like very light yellow green right here. Now this color doesn't really show up as well as I expected, but it's all good because I'm going to use a darker green, and I use that shade to kind of blend out the darker green more evenly. So I'm taking this color in my transition zone. And this palette does not have a mirror, so yeah. I'm now going to use this Real Technique brush in the number 305. It's sparkly. And I'm going to dip into the shade Tootsie, which is this green right here. And I'm going to focus that more so in the crease. Now going back in with my MAC 217, I'm just going to blend out the edges of the green. Now with this e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Cuba. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a deeper green, like a hunter green shade. And I'm going to focus that more so in the outer V and more so of like up until 2/3 of my eye, so from here to about here, so that when I cut the crease it still like has a nice gradient effect. Back with my MAC 217, just blending it out. And I'm going back in with my Real Techniques 305 brush just to put some more of Tootsie in the crease because it looks like I lost a little bit of that color. Alright, so now I'm going to do a cut crease, and I really just brung the top part out over more than I did like this part right here. So I did about 1/3 of the eye, and then this one is, the top part is going more so towards half the eye. I don't know if that makes sense, but you feel me. So now that that's done, I'm just going to take my finger and pat where the cut crease ends just to kind of blend it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe 124 brush, M124 brush, and some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to go into the shade Cork. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's this very sparkly shade here on the end, but it has a green like undertone to it, so when you put it on your eye, it's more of a like a light goldenish lime green. My explanations are all over the place today. But yeah, I'm just going to put that where I cut the crease. Now with this 305 brush, I'm just going to lightly go over that center line I have here. Now I'm taking that same brush and I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. So the shadow part is basically done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a thin layer of the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner because I'm black on my upper lash line, and then I'm going to put on my lower lash line this Morphe Oh Brow Baby, which is a brow highlighter, but I like to use it on my lower lash line because it definitely is too bright for my brows. And then I'm going to use this MAC Loves Riri Extended Play mascara on both my upper and lower lashes. Okay, so here is the final look. Thanks for tuning into another day of this 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palette series. If you like this video, remember to hit the thumbs up. Leave me comments down below how you feel about the new Juvia's Place palette. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I post a video, which is every day in the month of December. And with that, I will see you guys next video.